So the other day I made these files for ready for printing, and we have see Topham Hatt. I think you already seen this figurine. I haven't removed the support marks. I mainly just printing for now. This could be sanded and then painted. Unfortunately, I want to keep printing. I don't have time. Painting takes way too much time. Way too much time. And if I do some painting, let me explain you. Look, this is going to look kind of once you sand it, it leaves you the white um, marks, um, white shade. Obviously, you need to paint once it's ready, but this is what it leaves behind when you sand those tiny spots. So in my opinion, that's why I leave the support marks always, unless we are about to paint. You know what, this is a good sample. So let me paint this area. So this is for demo purposes. Remember, the problem is that preparing all this takes a lot of time. We are applying a light acrylic coat, and actually it's looking good. First coat. We can do this in 2 coats maybe. It depends how you paint. There it goes. It's looking good. So just a sample. So we have the assistance. The assistance. Do I have blue or no? I don't think I have any blue. The assistance also. I leave the support marks in the back, so we can hide those. They don't need to be visible. Well, these figurines. Let me see if this one stands. Oh, you need to leave them. I have a shaky hands. Let me see if I can make. Oh, there it goes. There's standing right there. Now, these other figurines might not work. There's one that is not standing. This one. There is light, but if you move it, it will fall off. Now, there are some figurines that they do have like a round base on their foot. But the problem is I don't like it. That's why I leave these. I want these figurines the way they are, so they do not have that bulky base. Because probably I might glue it to a scenery or something. Remember, this is just a quick sample. I will not paint it all, but it will be interesting if we can do it. Now there is another version with the assistance. See, their arms are different positioning. This one are crossing the back, and the others are not. I might try to paint, maybe. See, the problem is it takes way too much time, but maybe for one video purpose, maybe. But I will not paint all this. Is way too much. Now let me know in the comments if you would like to have this access to this, so I could probably consider make them available. But there's not a lot of people interested. Let me see. The inside should be white, I think. Yeah, there's not a lot of craftsmanship people around the nowadays. There's just very few craftsmen people that like the craftsmanship and everything. Yeah, let me know. I have some extras over here. So if you really want, I could make a listing for just a few. I don't really need them a lot, but I need to fill up the plate. I just don't want to print just this, so always fill up the plate, and we got all these in the same plate.